BBG cars.
Peeps. Alright, today we're gonna go pull the bottom end of this V6 sn95 Mustang. So, as I told you before, the engine was overheated and I had to get this damn thing home because nobody would tow that far out, especially in the middle of our current situation. So right now I'm gonna check the bottom end of the engine. I'm gonna drop out the pan, drop out the end caps of the connecting rods, and then I'm gonna check the bearings and check the clearances to see how they are. Okay, if the clearances aren't too cool, then we're gonna have to yank this sucker out of there. Now, another problem is if those check out, then that means I have to just pull the heads off, take the heads off of the engine, and yank the pistons out the top of the motor. You feel me? So I then replace them. While I'm down there, regardless if I fix the connecting rod bearings or not, I'm still going to replace the connecting rod with H-beam forged steel rods because I'm preparing this car for boost. Okay, I'm going to add a supercharge on it later so she can haul ass. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're going to do. So today, also you have to add forged pistons to that mix. A lot of people out there think they can just boost anything. You know, you can't just boost anything, man. You have to sit there and prep the engine and stuff. You know what I'm saying? You got to make the bottom end strong so you can, you know, so it'll survive. You know, you don't want to just boost something and it'll last you a couple of months or a year. That's not cool. You're just gonna have a car that's gonna blow, just like this one did. You know what I mean? Because it overheated. And that's what you need to do. You need to prep the engine, make sure your measurements are cool, and you know, you need to put forged internals or rotating assembly because this sn95 Mustang V6 is kind of weak. All right, y'all see this? We're gonna have to remove these motor mounts there, and there's one on the other side too. So we can raise this motor up. Okay, once we raise it up, we're gonna take out all these little nuts and bolts from the bottom of the oil pan. I'm gonna drop the oil pan. All right. Make sure you use one of these as a attachment for your breaker bar so you don't kill yourself. If you see this closely, this is the motor mount, this is the bolt at the bottom, this is the part that mounts to the engine, and this is the frame. We have to separate these two like that, which raises this in the air so I can get my fingers through here so we can jack up the damn oil pan so we can get it to these little bolts. You see them? Lots of them suckers up there. Okay, fast you want to go. As you can see, the bolt is almost out of the frame, so you don't want to pop this out because it's a bitch to get in. Alright, we got a nice gap here. I should be able to get in there pretty good and drop the oil pan now. Don't forget, for a hard working day, always have this coffee every time you work. It'll do body good, you know what I'm saying? So now, we're gonna get to the bolts and nuts now. Or I'm sorry, we're gonna get to the bolts underneath the oil pan now. I got the motor mounts out. That was easy. And then we're gonna drop the pan down and then we're gonna see what it looks like underneath. Alright? Alright, and show y'all what we do in here. What's going on? We're gonna be, as you can see, we're gonna be taking out these bolts. I don't know how many they are, but they're a lot. 8mm. And these 12s over here in the rear. Okay? And then, after we're done getting all the bolts over here on this side, all the way around, we're ready to drop this thing. I hope I have enough room. Holy smoky. It's tight. Real freaking tight. It's scaring me. Okay? So that's what we're gonna be doing. There's nothing like working on a car. Therapeutic. You can F up your damn joints and muscles any time of the day. Injure yourself, cut yourself, or even die. But we do it because we love it. Yeah, we're willing to get injured and die to do this stuff. Do you believe that? That's a real car guy. Those fake car guys out there, they don't even like to change their oil. I go to bed with a V8 engine next to me and car parts. That's just me. Everybody else, they probably get divorced. I don't need 1 million subs to do this, guys. I do this for free. I do it because I love it. Bad news. Come to find out, one of the bolts going to the oil pan is very hard to get to because the frame's in the way. I can't get underneath it. I can't get inside of it. There's only this much space, like 2 inches. So I'm gonna have to pull the motor out. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. So I'm gonna pull the motor out so I can get on a stand and do it the right way. So sorry about that. Stay tuned for the next installment. I'll get this damn thing out of here, and such a short video, I know. Sorry about that. Get this motor out of here, and then we'll analyze it and find out what's up with the bearings and everything. Plus, it's easier to work on it when it's out anyway. I got all the tools here, so yank it out. We'll check it out, and you know, like I said, if you like what you saw in this video today, just like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell so you can get notifications of new subjects that I do and new you know, updates. Okay, so don't forget to drink your coffee every day and enjoy the show. DBG out. That was too easy. Then it gets hard on me. Don't forget, for a hard working day, always have this coffee. There's nothing like working on a car. Therapeutic. You can F up your damn joints and muscles any time of the day. Injure yourself, cut yourself, or even die. But we do it because we love it. Yeah, we're willing to get injured and die to do this stuff. Can you believe that? That's a real car guy. Those fake car guys out there, they don't even like to change their oil. I go to bed with a V8 engine next to me and car parts. That's just me. Everybody else, they probably get divorced.